Hey guys, it's time for instruction 3, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to upload some code to our Arduino. So in the previous two videos we basically just do some wiring and trigger the light to be lighted up, and so in this instruction we will write some code to make this happen. And if you remember from the previous video, we can press the button to light up the light. And so this video, we will use some code to achieve the same goal. So first thing first, I'm going to show you the platform that you can use to upload some video. Upload some code. So here it is, the Arduino platform. It's a cloud platform that you can use to upload your code. So if you want to use some local IDE, and that's fine, but I figured this is more useful because you don't have to install another software on your laptop. So it's very simple. They have a tutorial on their website. You just follow the steps and register an account, and then here we go. This is the platform. So as you can see, if you have your code here, and I believe this is in the instruction, and you can just put your code here, and this button verify is basic grammar check, and if it pass all the grammar check, you can just upload it, as you can see this button, to your Arduino. So I already uploaded, as you can see here, success done, uploading this sketch, or aka program. And let's take a look at the program and see what's happening here. So we have two const. The pen LED is set to 6, and the pen button is set to 2, and the pens are here on the breadboard. It's here. So can you see? One is wired to 6, -6 actually, and the other one is wired to 2. And these are the pins. So the code is as how we wired the pin. And then we have two functions. The first one is setup, and the second one is loop. So for the setup, we have the pen mode. One is the output mode, and the other is the input pull up mode. So just if you are curious what is input pull up, you will be able to find the documentation on Arduino's website. And so as you can see, if you set the mode to input pull up, that means there is a built-in pull up resistor if you set the pen mode to input pull up. And that also answers the question in our instruction that why the constant input pull-up will activate an input pull-up resistor, which is why the wiring below does not need a dedicated resistor connect to the button. I didn't quite understand when I first read this sentence, but now I know. All right, get back to our IDE. So this is a very simple program, and you set the input and the output, then you define pressed, means if the pen button is low, and that means it is pressed, and if it is pressed, you use the digital right button to light up the light. So let's see. So the breadboard is just wired as the instruction, and yep, same go as the previous tutorial, and managed by the code. All right.